Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Market opens up here in about 2 minutes. Really quickly, when I say live, what I mean is that this is a situation where I'm recording myself, seeing the information, seeing the data for the very first time, compared to having already recorded everything and then coming back and explaining what's already happened in hindsight. So this is not a trade recap. This is not some sort of post commentary. I'm literally recording myself, seeing everything for the first time. In other words, I don't know what's coming next. So if you just want an unscripted, nitty-gritty, dirty look into what it's like to be a day trader, how day trading can play out, then this will be a video for you. So I will go ahead and pause for now, and I'll be back at the open. All right, watching Tesla here, looking for potentially a put. Picked up one put at 39.20. Looking for this thing to break down through 8.90. If it does come down to 8.90, I may look to add another one. But yeah, 891.50, more so that key break point. So coming down, adding another one there, so I'm at 2. My average is at, so got to see the breakdown through 891 though. That's going to be the key break. Well, 891.50, yeah, definitely that's the stubborn level. Okay, there's the break there. Can we get down through 890 is the question. Yes, we can. Took out one contract, looking for this to keep on moving here now. All right, so I'll take the 180. Maybe it'll still come down here, but that was definitely a scalp, and I wanted things to move relatively fluidly, and it wasn't quite happening. And it's going now, but hey, you know what? That's good old hindsight trading for you. But there are quite a few other opportunities out there, and I don't want to get too locked in to Tesla. But hey, I'll take it. $180. Oh, that's right. I forgot. I had started off with a very, very minimal trade in the pre-market on Tesla where I lost 17 bucks. But that, as you saw there, that was very clearly wiped away. So that's why I want to get out, because I figured a green candle and potential bounce would be coming, but clearly I was wrong on when it would be coming. Although this area here is still very, very interesting at the 887 mark, but I want to see this go sideways first. So if it breaks down through on that candle that's forming right now, then I'm just going to unfortunately be left behind. But no, come on, stay above it. Stay above it. Like I said, I'd like to see at least a couple more candles stay above this level. Good, yep, get above it. No. Like I said, if we don't go above, I don't want to take it on this one either. But if this candle can also stay above it, I like this setup a lot, but I don't know if it's going to obey. Nope, there it goes. Well, shoulda, coulda, woulda. But let's go back over to my stock setup here. And there Tesla goes. Well, I guess I didn't need to be that high maintenance about it. 59.50, interesting level. Get that alerted to our chat room. Oh, what is going on with PayPal? Oh my, wow. Well, nothing you can really do with it right now. That would just completely be chasing. Okay, well, I'm going to go ahead and I'll pause for now, and I'll keep looking around, and I'll see what else I can find. Okay, watching 884 here on Tesla. Just going to do shares this time. Would really like to see it stay above. There we go, perfect. All right, now let's see it come down below. I mean, if it wants to bounce again, good, good, nice, okay. Now I like it that much more. Oh, wow, that was quite a big bounce there, okay. Well, I'm going to up my share size to 100 now. Oh, wow. Okay. Well, maybe time for a change of plan here, as this was a very big bounce. So, okay, well, as of now, looking like a never mind on that setup, but was looking very good. And then, as you saw, completely turned around. So, all right, I will go ahead and pause and look around at some other potential setups. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get short here. Oh, not. Oh, did I hit buy? What happened there? Have I ever traded Clorox before? I have no idea. Again, watching 145. Gonna try to time it. So this is completely watching level 2s right now. Maybe risky because maybe I'm going to ultimately miss it, but all right, there's 145 again. Like I said, going to try to time it. If it looks like it's going to fail. Yeah, definitely not going to complain about that. A bounce, and then if the price wants to come back down to it, that would be nice. In fact, let me get this alerted here. CLX 145 flush point, 1 minute. There we go. So again, at 145. Like I said, I'm trying to just watch level 2s and gauge when I think it's about to fall and then get in, which is risky because I could miss it. So just watching. Don't mean for the awkward silence, but again, I'm not commentating this in hindsight. This is happening right now. So I'm trying to stay focused. Wow, 145 is stubborn. And for beginners, I'm looking to go short, so I'd want to see it. Is it going to go? Level's getting hit. Come on. Look at this. There we go. My order's out there. Why have I only gotten a partial fill? Look at that. There's 145 on the bid. What in the world? Okay, I don't know what's going on there, but I'm going to get out for just a break even. Did you see that? I had my order in at 145 and it was not giving me anything. So there's either, look at all this volume. Okay, well, shoulda, coulda, woulda, but that was very bizarre, and I didn't know if there was some sort of game going on where somebody was getting loaded up and then this thing was going to snap back upwards, which may still be the case. I don't know. Wow, that was really weird. And all caught on video there. Huh. Again, my order, I was trying to get in at 145 and the bid was showing 145 and it only gave me a partial and yet it sat there. So I don't think, for down in the comment section, let me know what was going on there. Does anybody have any idea? Because I'm using a direct access broker too. So this wasn't, it's not like it's some sort of, okay, I got to stop talking though. mRNA, I like that. What is that? 163.25. This one can always be a bit choppy, so gotta be careful with it. mRNA 163.25. Flush point. All right, I will go ahead and pause. Okay, it's coming down, potentially. Yeah, very, very, very well-defined level there. I almost wonder, should I go even bigger size? Because that's a nice little pattern here that's formed. Again, it's maybe coming down to that area. I feel bad this whole video is like me sitting here and just waiting for the price to actually move, but at the same time, that's just how trading goes sometimes. Sometimes you're just sitting, waiting. Will it make a move? Other times it shows up, boom, makes the move, you get right in. But not the case here. All right, well, I'm going to go ahead and pause. I'm not going to make you sit through this any longer. Okay, maybe coming down. But, I'm going to pass this by. The more I think about it, it's a good setup, but the volume is so choppy. So the reliability of the pattern, probably not as much as I wish for it to be. So I think I have some wishful thinking going on right now. So again, fantastic pattern, but the volume is so sketchy. So got the breakdown there, but really in my mind, it's a roll of a dice right now. 50-50 odds. Is this truly a breakdown, or could this thing snap back up? Again, 50% chance, yeah, this is fine. I shouldn't be worried about the volume situation. But in my mind, there's a 50% chance that because of the volume, that lowers the reliability of this pattern, and maybe this thing gets ready to snap right back, in the opposite direction. But right now, it seemingly is breaking down. But even the breakdown, you can see not very fluid because volume is so low. Like I said, I'm not here to take 50-50 setups. I'm here to take setups where I believe I actually have an edge. And a 50-50 coin flip is not exactly an edge. So never mind on that one. Tesla, interesting dynamic here going on around. Well, and then just like that, it starts to go back up. Who knows? Maybe this trend line here will come into play again. But as of now, no, Tesla, as soon as I pull it up, it starts to go in the opposite direction. Now, Tesla up around 913-ish. Very interesting, which is still a ways away. Oh, and look at that. Look at that. I'm not to pat myself on the back, but look at mRNA. Boom. Just like that. Well, it was a green candle there, but broke down, and now all of a sudden you just had a green candle up as high as there. By the time I could get it back up, but you can see the upper shadow. That's what that represents. At one point, the price was all the way back up there. So like I said, not a very smooth breakdown at all. So even if that thing were to come back down, like I said, as traders, our job is not to be taking coin flip setups. If you have just a coin flip, I got a 50-50 chance, then you're not taking a very good setup. And CLX, that was just so goofy. In hindsight, I should have held strong. Now down, wow, continues to go down. But that freaked me out. I thought am I getting myself set up? I didn't know what to think. And I've learned over the years, if you don't know what to think, just err on the side of caution and get out. And if you can get out with a break-even trade, then so be it. But in hindsight, and waiting for the chart to load here. There we go. But not much that can be done with this one. Okay, I will go ahead. And yeah, just exactly what I was worried of, and it is happening. So it came down, another little move downwards, and now back up. So just a choppy mess. So, and that's why volume is important. Snapchat though, I'm going to keep an eye on Tesla, because if this thing does want to make another further move up, could be a play on this one, but I'll pause for now. All right, going to hop in here. Tesla. Oh, did I miss that? Does it want to give me a back test? Oh, that was a move up. Oh, I thought I was fine. You can see my order sitting out there in white, meaning I submitted it, but it never got filled. Well, that was unfortunate. So, all right, never mind on Tesla. So remember mRNA. Again, I'm not patting myself on the back. Clearly, you've seen me not trade, completely well here, but a completely beautiful pattern, just not reliable. As you can see, that thing has completely gone back the other way. And for beginners, because I was looking to short, that would mean the price going up, that I would be losing money, because when you're short, you want to see prices go down. So just wanted to give you a quick update on that one. Okay, watching 909 here for potential short. Thinking Tesla might be running out of steam here a little bit. So yeah, 909. I swear this whole video is just me sitting here. I'm sorry, but I'm not sorry, because I know this isn't the most exciting thing, but I'm not sorry because, like I told you at the beginning of the video, if you want just a nitty-gritty look into what it's like to be a day trader and how things can play out, sometimes this is just how things play out. All right, I will go ahead and pause, but watching 909.50-ish now at this point. All right, at 909, in at 909, didn't miss that one. But did I get suckered in? Maybe. We'll see. This one is more so based on the 5-minute time frame. Not looking so hot right now, but let's see if it wants to come back down. All right, got to be out. So lost, I'm not sure what that was on that one, but I'm now down 173 on the day. So my gains are gone, but that was completely fine with me just because it's not like I was up that much anyways. And had I gotten this thing to roll over, then that could have put me in a much better spot. But being down 175, of course, not ideal, but by no means is going to... is going to send me to the poorhouse or anything like that. And of course, now it comes back down. So I'm still interested in this a little bit, but what I got to be very careful of is, is this going to put me into some sort of chop house here, or was I just a little too soon on that first 909? Which is potential, which is, maybe, but this thing is still kind of trending upward, so you got to be very careful with it, and got to always be aware of those things. mRNA, curious on that one. Volume seems to be maybe a tad bit better. 165 is certainly a very interesting level. 165, yeah, I mean, that's very minimal risk there at 165. It snaps back up. But if it can break down, there's 909 on Tesla here. I'm trying Tesla again. Maybe I'm crazy, but I just feel like this thing wants to come down here. So it took off a portion of my position. Let's see if we can get down to 907. So yeah, that's disappointing. Timing was off. I was right, but my timing was off. So it took off another 25 there. Does this thing want to break down through that 50 period moving average is the question, though. I would like to try to get 906, but it's looking like it's maybe already going to consolidate out just above that area. I'll give it another chance. Yeah, this 907 mark. I'm just going to hop out there. So, hey, I'm up $4. Look at that. $4. I am going Lamborghini shopping. So, and that's just what happens. I know what you're saying, because I'm saying the same thing. Geez, Clay, why didn't I just hold? Because at that point, for all I knew, that was about to be a breakout to the upside, and that loss could have completely spun out of control. But it wasn't. So, there's 906. Just needed a bit more patience, which I did actually. Yep, I would have been filled, which I didn't have there. But yeah, that's just how it goes. That is just the nature of the market sometimes. And for those, depending on how many of my live trade videos you've watched, you've seen me stop out and then have stocks that go up and up and up, or down and down and down. And I sit there and I say, wow, can you imagine if I had not gotten out? This loss would be completely out of control right now. And all it takes is one or two of those to shift things around. In this case, yes. Playing the what-if game, well, geez, Clay, if you would have just not been disciplined, you would have been totally fine. I know, and that's true, but all it takes is one or two. And, wow, the market's all of a sudden, let me bring over look at that, SPY. Out of nowhere, okay. So let's look around here. But Tesla, that's going on, and Tesla's not really reacting that much, which shows Tesla's relatively strong today. When you see that sort of action, and then Tesla, I mean, yeah, it went down, but it's not like it's completely collapsing. mRNA would have worked out just fine. Okay, well, maybe I'll make one more trade. I'll take a look around. But yes, as of now, up $4. Well, excuse me, $4.75. Well, I am going to go ahead and wrap things up. So yes, I'm closing up the day, $4.75. So I'm very rich. And if any of you want to meet me, like I said, at the Lamborghini dealership, that's where I will be. But before I go, though, if you enjoy these live trade videos, if you enjoy just kind of the real life nature of them, where you're getting everything as things play out, then please let me know, because these are very difficult to make because they're live. I have to think for myself. I have to execute my trades. I have to alert, in the chat room, make alerts. I have to talk to you. I have to think about what I'm going to say to you. There's a bunch of stuff going on. So while they're not impossible, they are difficult to make, and I will continue to make them. Not every day, and that's why I don't make them every day, because sometimes I just want to be able to think for myself. But if you do enjoy them, please let me know that by doing two things. Hit that like button and then leave a simple comment below. Say hi. Tell me what you traded today. Give me a smiley face emoji, but hitting the like button and leaving a simple comment go a long way in communicating to me that you enjoy these videos. And as long as I know people are enjoying, I will continue to put them together. So everybody take care. Have a good one. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.